Yeah, good day. Welcome to Multinet Design in the continuation of our 2100 capacity or that we are creating. So in the last episode, this is how we get the concept right. You remember you have another arrangement that's like this that you can make use of in the second episode. So after all, everything we still maintain the same arrangement. Why we stay the same uh, design plan. Why the arrangements can be compromised depends on your particular choice of what you want to do. So that's what I demonstrated. So now in this tutorial, I want to focus now. This I'm going to use, but does not matter. It's still the same thing because I only annotate to create those seating arrangements. So what I'm going to do now is to focus on the concept and bring out the roof and everything together. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'm going to get to this level. I start this particular view. So we are going to get there. So let us start creating them after the other. So let's go there. So let's move on. Now I want to start from the behind. I'm going to create the roof at this level. So let me say from the elevation, I think I have my elevation at this particular moment. And I told you this particular elevation is going to be higher because it's all. So I must get something higher. I'm going to say 4 meters to be jump. Okay, good. So everything I selected here is going to come up with this later, but not now. I'm going to continue creating what I want to create from here. So let me go to level 2, which is this particular level. So what I'm going to do now is to draw the demarcating line from here, so I'll be able to create the roof I want to create at this level. So let's go there. So I'm going to say wall. Go to wall. That is gone. So if you have issue like this that you don't see your property stuff again, what do you need to do? Just come here and it will come back again. Understand? If you mistakenly click it. So if you do not see it again, you can come to view as well. This is just a quick trick for me to teach you. If you are not seeing it again, come to interface, then you come to property, you see property, it will come back. So that's just it. So now let's say I want to choose the wall, because I know that I'm using, so this was 200 mm. So I'm going to draw from here and draw it here to understand for now. So that's what I have. So what I need to do now is to now start my roof. So I'm going to say roof, go to, and then I will say roof. It's going to fall into 3 ways. So it's not going to have like normal hip roof. So it's an hip roof, but it's going to fall here and fall on the right side, left side, and the front side. So I'm going to say from here now, just like pick from this edge and table it here. So your choice is that you align this involvement, align this to the other side, align that. So when you say you do this, and then you so you have it now in 3 categories. So the level 2, I think you get it. If it is okay, you leave it and you see the outcome by yourself. So let us go to 3D and go and see the outcome. So come here, you see what you have done and you say finish. So it pop up. So if it's too tough for what you are creating, then you need to work on it. So from here now, I'm going to reduce this height. Not that because of this one, I just want to reduce it. Later I will adjust. So I'm going to reduce the height because of the way it is. So I'm going to say this is will be, let me say 25. So let's say 20. Let's say 50. Adjustment until you get your desired shape. Now this is what you have in place to suit whatsoever you have created. But now let's say you don't like what you are creating here, you can just like adjust with this one so that it will suit the point. Understand? Because when you are doing that one, you're not seeing it, you see what it's doing. So you drag it down so that you'll be able to adjust it and have this kind of triangular form. So this can go to form a proper trapezius side and trapezius side, and this one is going to form triangular side. So as you have now, you edit your roof. Now I didn't use my template, I just start clear template straight up. So I'm going to reduce the one to thickness of 50. You can adjust, just say apply to see the thickness change. Understand? So now you can now from here you can now move to the next level. And what is that next level? is that you're going to edit. No, sorry. You can edit. You can be in editing and still edit the roof material. So I'm going to say roof. Let me see. I think I see one roof here. Okay, I think roof tiles. So I'm just going to pick that one. I'm not going to do too much. So it's your choice. You can go ahead and do whatever. I've watched some of my tutorial I've done on the roof. You see it. Now the issue is that the line here is supposed to indicate the falling pattern of this, which is not there. So you're going to still select again and say edit. So go to material bar and select the material there. So here graphics you pick use render appearance. So from here now you come to surface and you click on model. So on model now you can decide to create a new pattern, edit new pattern. So let's create a new pattern. So from the new pattern now, if you want the line to be complete vertical, you're going to go here and say 90 degree. So because the distance is too much, you are going to reduce it to, let me say, 70. So you have a tight something. So when you click like this, you don't do cross the arrangement because it just need only one singular pattern. You can edit it if you have any issue later. Click on edit and you edit. Change the name if you want to change the name. If the spacing is too much or it's too tight, you change it again. But do not click double. Do not click cross. If you click cross, it's going to appear in double, which is not what we want. So click only this one, so that parallel is what we need. Alright. So you click there and say OK. So when you click OK now, click OK. Are you seeing? So the line shows, and that is it. So I have this one now. It will be something that I'm happy with, but I'm not happy with this one for now. So the reason I need to say edit it because this is safe entrance. So what I need to do is that I will adjust it a bit. So go to level 2. At the level 2 now, I'm just going to say offset 600. Now without copy, I don't want it to be copied, so I'm going to do that for this. So I got this one right. So later on, what I'm going to do to that roof is have its own particular intention. So now this is done at this level. So the next level is that I can now copy this one to the opposite side because I don't just want to be disturbing myself, or I decide to say create similar. So I say create similar, then go to level 2 again and say open. So I'm going to go to level 2 to start the drawing properly. All what you just need to do is to do rectangular line. You don't need much to do. So this is done by the whole idea. So you say click finish. So edit this part again and remove this particular slope arrow at this level. So you click like that. So at that place now you see it on the, then you see that you have the same pattern, the same thing. So you reduce this one to 25 the way you did to that one. Understand? And reduce it one more time again to 20. Your choice. I think this one will be okay. So that is done. So you can check it from the elevation if it's okay by you and see what you have created. I think this one. So I want this one to go higher. So I'm going to drag it up a bit. So as I have all this one now, this is not the actually things I want. Understand? But my concepts are getting quite right. So what I just need to do, let me quickly do something by selecting all the walls here. Okay, let me say hide all the category for now because I don't want to select. Okay, let's go to level 1. At level 1, I only want the external wall that's needed. So don't let me just copy what I don't need for the external wall. Let's say it's the external, that's what I need. And I'm going to say attach to level, or I change the height to 4,000 or 3,900, so that's almost there. So you get, so when you go to this elevation now, you see that it's almost getting there. So you raise this one to that part as well. So that's what you have for now, but that is not the end. So now you change the concept of here. This is provide. So you can still come back later and edit it if you feel like. But I'm going to extend it, remove the constraint, extend this one again. So remove the constraint. Then what you do, you draw this and then you put a trigger here. So what you do now, you mirror this to the extent. So this one is almost done what you need. So you click like this Okay, then this line will be gone for good, and that is just what we have for now. We still proceed in what we are creating, so you can go for north and see how this one do from the north. So we're not done. What we just need to do is to have something crazy along the line. So I will come back later to come and do the, okay, let me even do it now. So let me see, west elevation, west elevation or east elevation, any elevation that suits. So let's conclude the roof. So before we now go back to the concept development of whatsoever that remain. So now you say go back here and you say site. On the site now you say modify. The modify now you select sorry, you say modify. You go here, you say my vertical. Then from here is what we are now going to start. So I'm going to say offset with what, 80. So I'm going to have a rich cap for everything that I'm creating here. So I'm going to have rich cap here, at the same time I have rich cap here. So the close down of it is what you should select from outside. Understand? I don't know why that, it does not matter. So do this one here. While you break this internally, then you spare this one. Understand? So you're done with this, you're done with this, you're done with this one, and you finish up with this. Okay, I think with this one what else? Nothing more. So take this one away and you just say click finish. So that aspect is done. You do the same thing you have done there, you do it here too, by saying vertical and you place it here. So do the same thing here by 80. So you do your work. So roof design is simple, but technically you have to understand the way you do it. So just a simple thing I apply here. If you have any other one, but make sure that everything when you are designing, everything is what is in a closed form. So there's no line that's intersecting another line. All the lines are what are in uniform and in unity as well. So I need to draw line here. I'm going to pick from here and close it here. So the same thing I'm going to do here as well. This one you just need to divide it into two while you let this do the work. So when you click finish now, you have it. So when you look at it from 3D, good. So this is what you have. So if you look at it from the picture that I saw earlier, you see that I have the same, almost the same thing. Now how do I get this form in the right pattern? So what I need to do is now is to follow the guideline of the topography of the land and the shape of the ground that I've created. So let's go there. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to use, say, go to foundation. You get what I'm doing now? So how am I going to create that? I'm going to use the same component to do the needful. I'm going to say model in place. So model in place now, I'm going to use roof. So I'm going to call this one roof concrete. So I'm going to call it roof concrete. Roof concrete. So now roof concrete is just going to be a complete monolithic stuff, but it's not going to have the same like the way roof will look like. So I'm going to use extrusion to do that. All I just need is to follow this pattern. Get this one on and get this one. So when you finish it off with this, click finish. So you're not going to finish like that. Say edit. From this editing aspect, all what you need now is to create within the structure and just say L. So now I'm going to break this into two. So if there's anything in further time, I'm going to do that. But for now, this is what I have. So I'm going to say click finish. So at the click finish now, I'll go to any elevation of my choice. So what I need to do is to drag this up. So what you drag now, you drag it up by saying, let's say the joints, the constraint, remove the constraint. I think the remove the constraint will be done. So when you click it down, do like this, have it in this position. So it's not finished yet. So you go to not elevation, I think that will be, or you come to start elevation. So what is the issue? The issue now is that you need to bend this, and when you are bending, it's not going to be easy. So what you need to do is to say rotate, and you rotate, bring it to the lower part like this. Select it off from there, and then you drag it. Understand? So without copy, remove the copy aspect. So you take it up. So this is what you have created. Now you drag it down. This is what you have created, but it is justify what you are creating until you get to the level. So this is how far you have created. You can remove the, let me go back there. Okay, let me quickly show first 3D so that you see it on 3D before you remove what you need to remove. See? So this is how the form would look like. So you get. But there is something you still need to do to work those things high, because you cannot just jump over the roof. So all these things are still going to amend them and get them in the right color. So if you want to just like remove this internal line, remove the internal line completely, remove the internal line completely, everything, remove them completely, then you say click finish. So this is so this one we guide later on how we're going to create our, how we create our loops around this place. So now this is how far we go on this level. You can check it from the realistic view and see the condition this is going to bring. So we are in the next tutorial we assign material and make it look more original, authentic, step by step. Then we introduce what we need to introduce so that this thing will now look accurate and look correct. So for now, this is how far we are. We shall see in the next tutorial we shall add more components and structural components to this. So God bless you.